This is Alec from isthiscoursegood.com. Today I'm going to review GoPro by Eric Worre. This is a monumental book on network marketing. This is one of the best books I've read this year. I actually finished it in one day. So with that said, let's get down to it. So unlike what you'd be led to believe, this is actually a mindset book first and network marketing book second. You see, most people who start businesses, be it network marketing or otherwise, have this problem that they tend to rely a lot on luck and not on systems and skills. Let's take network marketing for an example. Most people do not get into network marketing thinking, yeah, I'm going to be meeting a ton of clients, I'm going to refine my skills, I'm going to become a top salesman, and I'm going to have massive success. No, they think, I'm going to find two of my best friends. These guys are going to build my business for me. So they depend on other people and luck. You know, most of the time when they approach people, they don't even know what they're doing. They just start doing it instinctively. They try to talk convincingly, they try to be friendly, but without any plan beforehand. So as a result, their results tend to be very hit or miss and tend to fluctuate a lot. So they do make sales, but their sales are very inconsistent. When it comes to building team, instead of thinking, so how can I make my people more useful? What can I learn from all these books, from these YouTube conferences? No, they're just like, well, I hope I'm going to be able to motivate them. I'm going to meet them today. I'm not sure what I'm going to have to tell them. I hope it's going to work. I hope what I'm going to tell them is going to work. I hope I'm going to be able to give them what they need without even researching, without even taking the time to learn all this shit. When it comes to getting clients, you just give them products and you hope that they like the products and you hope that you'll be lucky enough that they come back to you to buy more products. You hope that you'll always be able to find more clients. You hope that you'll always be able to meet new people instead of setting up strategies that will allow you to meet a lot of people on the long term and also allow you to get people to come to you instead of you having to start from ground zero all the time. You know, all these tactics that rely mostly on other people's disposition and on your luck, they can work, they do work, however they're very inconsistent and you'll oftentimes find that you convert as many people as you push away. So to avoid this is very simple. Start building fucking plans, and instead of doing every approach instinctively, you'll just follow your plan, and if your plan doesn't work, just refine your plan over time and make it better and better and better so that your approaches get more consistent and your closing rate becomes much higher. You want to build a system, build a procedure that you always build upon and use this procedure, and instead of hoping it's going to work, you'll know that it works, you'll have trust in your system, you'll have much more consistent results as a result. So what this book contains that really is worth your time is A to Z, pretty much everything you need to do to get clients, get them to buy, and get them in your team and make sure that your team is successful. So it gives you all the procedure you need, it gives you a ton of tips on how to make people more interested in your product, and it even gives you tips and scripts. For example, here's one I really adore. This is when you call someone to make them interested in your offer. You're not ready to buy, you're just calling them to make them interested in your offer so that they come to see your business presentation. So, hey Mike, the business I'm in clearly isn't for you, but I wanted to ask, who do you know that is ambitious, money motivated, and would be excited about the idea of adding more cash flow to their life? Who do you know that might be looking for a strong business that could run from their home? This is an amazing opener. You get a ton of this and strategies and blueprints that you can just steal and use in your network marketing business. And let's face it, even if you're not in network marketing, there is a ton in here for you on how to keep people motivated and how to sell shit. You know, matter of fact, when I started network marketing, I was working under one of my friends. Let's call him Tony. So Tony came one day and he brought this big cardboard box. It was heavy from his car. He dumped it on our meeting table and he opened it and there were like 30 copies of this book. And he was like, hey guys, all of you take a copy. I absolutely want you all to read it. It's absolutely amazing. So he basically bought this book for every single one of us because he just found it that good. Now, funny thing, we weren't even 30 in the room yet, but he was like thinking, Well, we're gonna be 30 one day anyway, and this is something I really like about this guy. This guy is ambitious and he's willing to invest money in his business. Back then, he wasn't making so much money, but today I think it really paid off. I believe last time I checked, he made something like $53,000 a month. And I personally quit this network marketing. So I want you to be asking yourself, are you really having the results you want? And if the answer is no, I highly recommend you start looking at your business and try finding all the places where you rely not on skill and not on systems, but rather on luck. And once you know where in your business you have these weak links where you depend not on skill, not on structure, but on luck, to break down these weak links and try to make them dependent on things you can control and systems as much as possible. Now with that said, should you get this book? For those of you in network marketing, this is a no-brainer. I mean, with all the scripts you have in there and all the mindset tips, this is one you don't want to miss. My friend was not lying when he said this is one of the best network marketing books he ever read. With that said, if you're not in network marketing, is this for you? Well, this certainly isn't the book of the century if you're not in network marketing. However, I will just say that I reread it and finished it in just one day. I have a full page of notes and a full page of shit that I found in there that will be useful for my business. There's certainly material that can be useful to you. If you're interested, links are in the description below. I recommend you take a look at it. With that said, thank you for watching. I truly appreciate that. If there's a book or an online course you want us to review, write them in the comments. I'll be very happy to take a look. With that said, that's it for today. Subscribe if you want more amazing content like this. If you're looking for the right online course, I highly recommend you check out our website, isthiscoursegood.com, where you can find reviews for courses in selling, writing, and more. With that said, if you're interested in network marketing, I highly recommend you check out Learn to Sell Anything by Grant Cardone. Now, this is a Udemy course under 20 bucks. This is certainly worth it for you. I highly recommend you check it out. I wish I had this book and Learn to Sell Anything by Grant Cardone when I started network marketing. If you're interested in that, check it out in the description down below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you soon.